What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to create a single line contact form into your WordPress website in a simple, fast, effective and free method. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics on choose internet websites favor. So, are you tired of the normal forms, that is a field and under it another field and normally a button to submit the form? Maybe you would like to save your screen space and use all in a single line. Okay, how to do this is what you're gonna learn in today's video, but let's get this started. First of all, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Right here into the upper right corner of our screen, next to keywords, into search plugins, we're gonna type WP form, just like this, and we're gonna installing contact form by WP forms. On your case, maybe you need to install it, but in my case, all I have to do is activate because I'm already have this installed. So after plugin active, no need to purchase premium, nothing to worry, we're gonna keep all for free. And after this, we're gonna be into this page, the welcome page. There is nothing much to do right here, okay, but review the left sidebar of our WordPress dashboard once again, and you're gonna be able to see a new field right here, okay. So next to the appearance, you're gonna be able to see WP forms. Click right here and click on add new. Right here, we're gonna search for a pre-built template, call it opt-in. The opt-in form, this one right here, we're gonna use this template just to start with a ready template. Okay, we can customize this in the way that I want, but it's a very basic form, that is the name, last name and email and a submit button. Okay, and right here we're gonna be able to make this form a single line. Okay, we can customize this in the way that I want, for example the name, the email, the required fields or not. But review the left sidebar of menus, go to settings and go to general. Okay, so the basic one, general, scroll down just a little bit and click into the advanced button. Scroll down just a little bit more, and right here we have a field called form CSS class. What I'm gonna do right here is enter this class, okay, inline fields, just like this. Pause the video and copy that. Okay, after this we're gonna save our form. Now we're gonna embed this form into one of our pages. I'm gonna create a new page, single line form. Let's go. The plugin gonna create the page for me and automatically enter the WP forms. Let's publish the page and review the results we got. Looks like I need a little bit more space right here. Okay, so let's customize the form. First of all, let me apply some column right here. Let me use the on health. Into the first one, I'm gonna enter the WP form, my opt-in form. Let me remove this one. Starts looking better, but we're gonna customize this once just a little bit. Let me go back to my WP forms, go to all forms, go to our opt-in form. Just remember that you can name your form in the way that you want. Right here, I'm gonna remove one of those fields, okay? The sample one. Let me change it. And let's review the results we got. And here is our single line contact form. Of course, we can align this button, we can use another CSS class, but let me know into the comment section below the questions you have so I can help you with it, okay? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg for free. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can promote your blog for free and submit it for receiving and publishing guest posts. In addition, join with a growing blogging community. In the case that you want to promote your site, your design, your mobile app, your game, go to sites.gallery, submit it, it's for free as well, and you're gonna gain a link for your site. And as a final notice, in the case that you want to go premium, go to Visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, templates, tools, plugins, themes, and many more pro features, including our full support helping you, okay? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.